Since their introduction in the 1950s, automatic rice cookers have become a common kitchen appliance, especially in Chinese households. So much so that many Chinese people have never cooked rice without a rice cooker. Today, we're challenging 3 Chinese people with different skill levels to a rice cook-off, plus some tips on how not to fail.
Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm a producer from Goldthread. So today I'll be cooking rice without a rice cooker.
Hi guys, I'm Vicky Cheng. So I'm the chef of a Novia restaurant here in Hong Kong.
Hello, 我是 Madam Lee. 我要教你们怎么样煮饭.
Step 1. How much rice to use?
How much rice should I cook?
因为我们家里如果人多就用煮电锅来煮。那么因为有时候我一个人吃，我是用这个碗，它的米只是半碗、半杯，那么拿去蒸，蒸起来了就是这样多的饭。
Step 2. Wash the rice.
I have to wash the rice like 4 times, like until the water is clear. I know, because it removes the starch.
要洗2次啦。
Right, so all I add is a little bit of water. I've always been taught to do in circular motion in one direction. I don't know how much of a myth that is, but I follow it. And so basically what we're trying to do is to remove all the excess starch.
Step 3. Putting in the right amount of water.
Okay, I always know that I need to put in about this much water, like until like the first finger. That's what my mom always told me.
是要放水，好像放一个手指这样高了。
This is a little trick that my mother showed me since I was young. Everybody has their own little trick, but for me, this always never failed. So I want to show you that as well. What I'm trying to do here is to put my finger on the side of the bowl and I push it all the way to the middle. And you will see the rice will stick up from the middle just a little bit.
Step 4. Turn up the heat.
So I put it up all the way, 99%. And I'm just waiting for water to boil.
等下现在是大火了，给它滚水先，滚了它的那个饭，它会滚的时候，它会一点响，响了你就要小火了，小火慢慢炖到25分钟。25分钟它因为它才好啊，它一定有点湿，那么你再盖10分钟这样。你还没有这样快吃，你可以盖掉，吃的时候就拿起来吃咯，就 OK 了。
It's boiling. Should I put a cover on it?
The point is to turn on the heat as hot as possible and bring it to a boil. So when it does boil, which is already coming back to a boil now, you can see the steam coming up. And so I like to shake it just a little bit to make sure that it is even layer. Okay, and then you can already see this boiling. And what I do now is to take a cover, put a lid on it, and turn it to as low as possible. So then you set a timer, 20 minutes, and you forget about it. Don't open it, don't touch it, don't look at it. You just come back 20 minutes later, and I guarantee you, every time you will have the perfect rice.
Oh my god. Look at the mess. Okay, so there was like a bit of like an overflow situation just now when I kept the lid on. Okay, so I'm going to like just pour this all out. Look at the amount of rice that is stuck to the bottom of the pan. Unbelievable.
Step 5. Taste the rice.
烧你看多么漂亮。那么我要吃看给你们吃啊，一粒粒的。不会黏黏的。
Let's see how it tastes. This is like, it's like kind of like stuck to each other. I don't know whether it's because I put too much water or because I didn't control the heat well. Yeah, but it didn't turn out well. And it kind of sticks to like the back of my teeth. I think it's like too sticky.
Look how fluffy it is. If it sticks a little bit on the bottom, it doesn't matter as long as it's not burnt. It's perfect. The texture, it's exactly what you want in the rice. Simple.
So here's a recap of our top tips for cooking rice without a rice cooker. 1. Wash your rice until it sparkles. 2. The water should reach the first knuckle of your index finger. 3. Turn up the heat to boil the water. 4. Let it simmer for 20 minutes, no peeking. 5. Don't freak out if you see the rice sticking to the bottom. That's normal. Send us photos and videos of you cooking rice without a rice cooker to hello@goldthread2.com or tag us on Instagram @goldthread2.